Do you want to swim confidently? Here's why sticking to the process makes all the difference in the world. Consistency is the key to learning to swim. Learning to swim is not about being perfect. It's about staying consistent over and over again, showing up regularly to build your confidence while mastering your swimming. You know, I'm all about the foundations of change, which is about building from confidence while you're developing your swimming, instead of developing your swimming and hoping that it will build confidence. When we build with confidence over time, this is when you get the big rewards, like coming to Hawaii for my birthday. Have I told you we're going to Hawaii for my birthday? Now, here's a couple of key things. One is you want to celebrate your milestones, and your milestone might be, I watched a swimming video today. Another milestone might be, I went to the pool today. I started the online video course today. It is not, I swam for 20 minutes. No. Don't start there. We want to keep it consistent milestones over time. Just imagine if you engaged with your swimming in a meaningful way, in a meaningful, loving way, in a meaningful, loving, curious way, once a week for 52 weeks. Who would you be for sure at the end of that? More of a swimmer and more in love with yourself and having more openness, more understanding, and frankly, more questions. What? You're gonna have more answers, but you'll have more questions because that's just how learning works. This means you are on this road of growth and new and big and wonderful things. I remember when I had a student and he was like, no, Hawaii's never ever gonna be for me. I'm just not interested. I just wanna get into the pool and get across. Great, no problem. Well, who goes to Hawaii on a work trip, comes back and tells me about all the snorkeling he does? Him. He never thought he would do it in a million years. But this consistently taking small, curious, open steps led him to dreams that he didn't even know were possible for him. Swimming was so not on his radar that celebrating the little milestones actually were kind of easy for this particular swimmer because he just never thought that he would go into a public space in a swimsuit. So he celebrated himself for that. He just never thought that he would find it interesting and curious to put his face in the water. He thought he'd just have to tolerate it, right? Celebrating each of these tiny little things is what leads to all of these wild dreams that maybe are on your list or maybe are coming towards you. Consistency, once a week, 52 weeks, engaging meaningfully. You get to decide what that is. Doesn't mean everything, but engaging meaningfully with curiosity and love, you won't be the same person. I promise you. Can't wait to see you in the water.